The second game of our triple header coming up today is going to include #1 overall pick Deandre Ayton making his debut with the Phoenix Suns. The 7'1" teenager averaged over 20 and 11 in his 1 year at Arizona. Byron, what do you expect from this young man?
Listen, if I'm DeAndre, my expectations coming in, if I'm the #1 pick and I dominated the way he was able to dominate sometimes in the college level, is to be #1 rookie of the year and to get this team to improve 15 to 20 games. If he can do those two things, it's been a very, very successful season for not only him, but the Phoenix Suns. And I think if he doesn't, then it's a bust as far as this year goes.
Right.
I'm not saying he's a bust as a player. That has to be his expectations coming into this season, is to dominate as a freshman. We haven't seen, a freshman, as a rookie.
Yeah.
We haven't seen a rookie really dominate at that position in a long time, and it might have been the last person who did that was probably Shaq or Tim Duncan.
Right.
One of those two. So if he wants to be put in that type of, atmosphere as far as great players, he has to come in and make himself well known right away.
You know what both of those guys had? A good point guard on their team to get the ball.
That's
true. It's hard for bigs in this league because you got to rely on someone to get you the ball. He's a traditional big. He's not like Ben Simmons bringing the ball up the court. So for him, you can only control what you can control. Run the floor hard, roll hard on pick and rolls, rebound, defense, and finish.
Yeah.
You guys, you dunk on everybody, put on somebody's head every single moment. But beyond that, it's hard because we got to rely, not only got to rely on someone else getting the ball, but you look at that Phoenix Suns team, they don't really have an answer at the point guard position. You've got Brandon Knight, who's been gone for a long time with that knee injury. You've got the French kid that they drafted. He's young. He's a rookie. So it's still kind of a murky situation. And you got Devin Booker, who doesn't want to play point guard.
Right.
But if they can get anybody, just someone with a little bit of experience who knows what they're doing out there, I think it'll help them out tremendously.
I don't know. I heard from Deandre Ayton that he thinks he and Book are going to be Shaq and Kobe 2.0, so I'm waiting for that.
All right. Better on the triangle.
That's a hell of an order. But hey, go for it. Go for it.
There you go.